In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add video in Google Slides. Start by heading over to Google Slides and open up the presentation where you want to add the video. Next, in the left section, click on the slide where you want to add the video. Then next at the top menu, click on Insert, then click on Video. Here you have three options. First is by YouTube. You can search videos all over YouTube, or you can also add videos from Google Drive. The third option is by URL. You can simply paste a direct video link in this section, select the video, then click on the Insert button. Now resize your video and move it anywhere on the slide. And now to customize playback, simply click on the video, and in the right menu you can see format options where you can set start and end times. You also have an option to mute the audio and enable autoplay. But now when you present, the video plays right inside your slide. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!